What's going on, guys? Coming at you in the video here. So today I'm going to place the turn signal assembly light from this to this. Really easy process. All we need is a wrench, an extender, and then a T15 bit. We're going to start off right over here, going to the screw, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Only one screw, by the way. Just put that to the side. And this might take a little bit of play.
Easiest way to take it out is just use your hands and just come underneath here and try to pull up, and eventually it'll give in. See, there we go. Now it's popped out. And we just pull that to the side. And all we got to do is just take out our bulb. We just twist this off like that, and it comes right out. Now onto the new one, and then vice versa. Let's take out this cover. It wouldn't be a bad idea to replace the bulbs, but I'm one of those, you know, if it ain't really broken, why fix it? Now this can be a little challenging over here. Just making sure this is aligned. Nope. Yes, so just make sure this is aligned. This might take a little bit of play. Just gotta find that sweet spot. There we go. Now let's turn it to lock it. Take off the wrapper. Let me first align it with this over here. There's ways to align it is to make sure this is aligned over here. Obviously you can't see because once I try to align it, it's going to cover the camera. But you can see there, it's aligned with that. And then let's make sure here is aligned as well. All right, all we gotta do is push it in. There we go. Kind of feel it snap into place. There we go. You don't want to over tighten it to where you strip the threading. So you have to get a new headlight assembly. But there we go. That's nice and snug. There's no movement, no nothing. All right, and then you look here, there's no movement. Looks good, nice and sturdy. And then I have a video on how to change the headlights as well. So that'll be down in the link below. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later.